this channel.
No! No!
Welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And today I got another, well, it's not even another, this is my first DIY video for decorating my room, as you can see. So I'm super excited to do my DIY on decorating my room because I love interior design. I'm obsessed with it, but I'm a very cheap shopper. But when it comes to like home decor, I definitely take my time with what I want to invest in because I don't like wasting money on something that's, you know, just presenting the room. So, and I like very minimalistic type of vibes. Yeah, so if you want to know how I achieved this look around my whole room, it's super dope. As you can see with the backdrop, it's just so beautiful, and I feel like I'm accomplished with my room, finished decorating my room, like period, like something different. I'm so excited. But yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this wall, then stay tuned. I know you're somewhere. Hey you guys, so I'm looking a little crazy right now, so I just want to do something different to my room because every time, you know, I do a different phase and go through phases in life, I like to switch up my environment, and then I get real depressed and have a dirty room. So you're gonna see me just reorganize my room. Yesterday I did add these lights though. Look how beautiful that is. I added these lights because I just want something different. I don't want to do something too drastic, but yeah, so if you want to know what I do to my room, then stay tuned. Bye. So you guys, with step one, I'm going to prep my room. It's not that dirty, but I have just things everywhere and cluttered. And you know, everything has to have a home. So I had to put everything back to where it was found. And I like I like super minimal. I don't like too many things out because then I get very clustered and claustrophobic. So I like things organized because when things are organized, I feel like my life is organized. Comment down below if you are OCD like me, where you have to have everything clean, organized in order to get through your day, and if not, like, you have a bad day. So I do have this big box I got from Amazon. Mind you, I didn't think I was gonna get this much product, but I didn't read the description good enough. So yeah, but I'm actually happy it came out with more of the little faux grass plants. So I am going to open up this box and show you guys how it came in. And so it does come with two medium-sized boxes and one big box. So it looks like they had to tape it down to make sure it fits. So I did buy a heavy-duty staple gun to staple my faux plant wall things to the wall because yeah, I just saw it from a YouTuber and I was like, oh, that's super smart. So I got inspired to do a similar design. This staple gun I did get off of Amazon. I got all these products off of Amazon, including the curtain lights. As you can see, it does come with staples as well. They come with a circular type of staple and a square type staple. I am using the square ones. I actually removed the little lever on the bottom of the stapler and then fit the staples in and then put the lever back. Again, I did get all of these products off of Amazon, including the lights on the wall. I will link them down in the description for you guys.
Missing someone.
So as you can see, it has these panels that it came with. So we're just gonna get started. I am going to use my staple gun and try to staple these panels together. I move the little leaves to the side and staple the actual panel to the wall. As you can see, I'm struggling. Let me tell you, this wall specifically, it's my closet wall, so I believe there's like a metal behind that wall, so it was very hard to staple this. So I like ended up not even stapling this panel to this specific wall, and I'm actually using some wall pins, as you can see, some clear ones so you can't really see the pins that I'm pinning. This is actually a great alternative if you're kind of scared you'll ruin the wall, which you won't with the staples. But if you want to be cautious and you're at a rental apartment and trying to do this, I believe you should just use the pins instead. It still holds up fine as long as you're not like touching on it, which I doubt. So actually, when I move on to the other wall to staple it, it's more softer, so it's easier for me to staple these panels together now. So yeah, that's just something to keep in reminder of when trying to apply these. It works with sticky things, the little sticky walls, it'll work with that, I believe. But just to be safe, just do the wall pins or the staple gun. And with the staple gun, it's super easy to remove. You just pull it off and the staples come off as well with it. So if you're worried about the staple like not coming off the wall, you will not have to worry about that at all. And for each box, I believe it came with six panels, and so it equal to 12 little panels, I believe. But just read the description, because I didn't even know it came with this much. I just wanted like a small amount, but I ended up having so much, so I decided to do my whole wall, and I'm in love with it. So you guys, I have this little remote I wanted to show you that I got off of Amazon as well. You actually plug it in to the sockets and plug whatever lights you want to control from the remote, which I think is super handy. I don't have to get up every time to cut off a light, so I have it next to my bed when I want it on and off. And then I'm using my handy dandy Lysol wipes to just clean up everything. I like, you know, chilling in a very clean room. I feel like I get a lot of my homework and my YouTube videos done faster when everything is clean around me.
So yeah, I just want to show you guys how I clean my room. Think it'll be super helpful for any of those that, you know, wondering how to clean a room properly. You know, gotta make sure everything is dusted, swept up, mopped up.
Oh, wow. What is that?
So this is the final result, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos from me. Don't forget to comment as well. It helps me a lot to see what videos you guys really want to see on this channel. And it helps support this channel because, you know, I put a lot of hard work and time to it just to give you guys quality content. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.